Here he is. Got it. Snuck up on me, folks, while I was messing with the sonar to check the water temp. My guess is it's 33.5 degrees. This says it's 35. I don't believe that in the least. We got our first laker who lassoed himself. First little laker of the day. Going back. Well, welcome to Newfound Lake, folks. It may not look like it because the fog is so thick this morning, but this is one of the lakes that I guide on. I get asked quite often, like what lakes I guide on. So it's Newfound, Winnipesaukee, and Sunapee are my three main home lakes. Now I will guide on pretty much any of the laker lakes here in New Hampshire and in inland Vermont. So I got on Willoughby as well, and Caspian and Echo. There's a couple other ones up there that I guide on. So if you want to be guided, click my email down below, shoot me an email with your phone number, and we'll have a phone call. I call all my clients to make sure I'm the right fit for them. But today we're fishing Newfound. It is not completely ice out yet because I have ice in front of me, and we're jigging for lakers today with Garmin Livescope and the Winnie kit. So it's a very specific bait, 2-inch bait, which looks like this. So it's a little 2-inch bait, little paddle tail, and they glow in the dark, and that helps lakers see stuff because right now we're fishing 55 feet of water, and we're doing the wait and run technique. I'm literally just waiting down there until I see a laker, and then I'm going to run away and hopefully catch that laker. That's the technique that I use with clients most of the time. If they don't want to just sit there and wait for a fish to come in, they can cast and kind of like hop it back. The success rate goes down quite a bit, but oh, I think there's a fish down there right now. So yeah, that's the game plan for today. We might hop around a little bit once this fog lifts, but this fog is probably the thickest fog I've ever freaking seen. It's kind of nuts. Oh, he's hot. Got him. Got him finally. I had to cast to him. That's a little guy. Just a little guy. There's a lot more down there. Going back in. Drop down. One more time. Oh, this one's hot too. Look at him. He's like, I see a smelt in the middle of nowhere. I'm going to chase it 50, 60 feet. Come on. It always amazes me that they'll come that far for food and then not eat it the last minute. Oh, this one sees me. I don't know if that's a new fish or not, but he's coming back for it. Ooh, he just touched it. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, come on. No! I don't know what that is. It's a little tiny laker. It's acting really squirrely because he's tiny. Just a little guy. Going back in. Got whatever it was. It is a laker. Being a pain in the butt there. Going right back in. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Going back in. All right, so we're having a big problem with these lakers, particularly right now. So we're in 23 feet of water. Super shallow for lakers. And there is absolutely bait all around. And I ran into this problem last year on Lake George where I was just too close to the food and too shallow. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go out deeper and post. Basically just stay in one spot in vertical jig and wait for fish to come underneath us, because they're just swirling around this bay here, eat and smelt. They're gonna run up this river and spawn here shortly. Maybe in the next few days with these rains that we're supposed to get. Come on. Got it. Finally. Why are they being so picky today? My goodness gracious, they're irritating me. I know why you do it. Salmon. Freaking big salmon too. Easy there, bud. Easy there, bud. Nice silver salmon. Not silver. Going right back in. All right, that's it for the Newfound guide service video. If you guys want to support the channel, visit benditfish.com, where I'm using all the baits in this video for sale. And then if you guys want to be guided, send me an email down below with your cell phone number. I'll call you up and we'll get you out on the water. And our season closes September 30th. So from now until then is all good fishing.